If you want to remove a payment method from your SoundCloud account, follow these simple steps to ensure your billing information is updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SoundCloud website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to payment information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled payment or billing. Click on it to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to edit or delete this payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. Click on the option to remove the payment method. You may be prompted to confirm your choice, so follow any additional instructions to finalize the removal. After completing these steps, your payment method should be successfully removed from your SoundCloud account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SoundCloud support for further assistance.